Hi, it's Linda from Homeschooling 6, and today I have a fun unboxing. It's one of my favorite boxes. It's Coffee and Classic, and I did slice it open so it'll be easier, but it comes in a box like this. And I got the, there's two like levels. One is $29.99 and you don't get a mug and a snack, and then there's one that's like $41, I think, and you get the snack and the mug, which is really a good deal because you pay, I think, $11 or $12 more for the mug and a snack. And the mug's on her website, if she has any left over, usually around $15 plus shipping. So it comes, I love that it comes in this photo box, so you can use the photo box. It's pretty with the Coffee and a Classic logo right there. So let's just see if I can slide that off. This one looks like it's, usually they're black. This one kind of looks like it's a blue, but it might be black. Maybe it's just a dark. It looks a little bit different. I'll have to compare it to my other boxes. Okay. Oh, and there's three. You could pick children's classic, classic literature, and then I think it's, there's another one, classic nonfiction, I think. I think that's the one I got this time. So it looks like this. Here's a card. I think this is the spoiler card. And you can always do a sneak peek with the books, just so if you don't want the box that month, or if you already have the book, or if you want to change which one you get, you can do that. And I got Silent Spring. So this is a book that I've actually been wanting to get. So let's see what's in here. Here's the mug. So the first thing is beeswax wrap, eco-friendly reusable beeswax wraps, and this is, you could use this in the place of saran wrap. I actually have some, and I love it. It's not, the one I have anyway, it doesn't seal like saran wrap, so if your bowl tips, you know, liquid might come out, but it works really great. You just, one of the things I've learned is you got to activate it by scrunching it all up, and then that will help. And then the heat of your hands will warm the wax, so it kind of seals. So that's this, and I love the color. And then it looks like there's a, is it a bag? Oh, I love bags, love tote bags. So look at that. At the bottom, it says not a plastic bag. Oh, you know the book, Miss Carson, I forget her first name. She's the one that kind of got she was realizing that the crop dusting was affecting people's health and animals and things like that. So that's why this is probably kind of like an eco-friendly box. I like this. I'll be using this. And this is a good size, and it's a good quality bag. I love bags. And then Lara bar, apple pie. I like Lara bars. I usually don't eat stuff with a lot of sugar, but you know what, I do love Lara bars. I will splurge on these once in a while, and I like that they don't have a whole lot of ingredients. I think they sweeten it with dates, and that's why it's like a more high glycemic food, but they're so good. So I will be enjoying that. And then for the snack, Web of Life coffee, organic coffee, the nature of living. I can't even read that font. Something alone. It's a quote from the book. So I'm sorry. See the font right there? Can't read that other word. A balanced and sweet cup with notes of graham cracker, candied pecan, and orange zest. That sounds really good. I'll be having some of this afterwards. And then here's the bookmark. How pretty. Has green on it with trees. Reduce, recycle, reuse. I love these boxes because they're just so thought out. Like with this one being with, I think her name's Carson. How everything just goes around the environmentally friendly thing in this box theme. Zero waste. Okay, I have to admit, I'm not zero waste, but I try. I do use things like the beeswax and the bags, and I take my cup and my cup when I go out to places, things like that. So I try. But this says zero waste. Too bad it didn't say less waste. But isn't that pretty? And look at the pretty green. I like this. And I like the size. Remember, I'm a mug hugger. And then the last thing is the book. Weird, I'm not seeing a snack. And oh, it was the Lara bar. Okay. So this is Silent Spring, Rachel Carson. And it says, rarely does a single book alter the course of history, but Rachel Carson's Silent Spring did exactly that. The outcry that followed its publication in 1962 forced the banning of DDT and spurred revolutionary changes in the laws affecting our air, land, and water. Carson's passionate concern for the future of our planet powerfully throughout the world, and her eloquent book was instrumental in launching the environmental movement. It is, without question, one of the landmark books of the 20th century. This edition includes an afterwords and such and so and so. So yeah, it's by Rachel Carson. She has some other books. I actually bought a few, but I haven't read any of them. So that's why I thought I would get this one, because I don't have this one, and I should put this on my August TBR list. And that was it, but I did want to share this mug that I got from Coffee and a Classic from her Etsy shop, and it's just so cute. It's this mug was in a book box that she did with Winnie the Pooh. Isn't that just the cutest thing? It's like a flower pot, or I'm sure it's supposed to be a honey pot. Always reminds me of a flower pot, but I know it's a honey pot with the word honey on it, and then right here it has like the little bit of honey. I thought that was really cute. I thought I would share it since it's from the same company. So anyway, there you go. I'm gonna have to drink out of my zero waste mug, and this will just be a great reminder that I need to do better with my plastic and all that fun stuff. So I really try, but if you were to come to my house, you'd still see a lot of plastic stuff. Yeah. So let me know what you thought of this box. Do you get the monthly subscription box from Coffee and Classic? And again, I love how it comes in with these photo boxes. So that's it. I am going to go and make my cup of coffee. Let me see. Did I miss anything? So, oh, and you could get tea or hot chocolate. It doesn't have to be coffee, so you could do that as well. And reduce, reuse, recycle, fabric, bookmark. Okay, yep, I got everything. I found everything in here. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.